What is up, everyone? We are back with another technical analysis. This time, it's going to be another update on ASTER USDT. I've been making a lot of videos about this one because we have been nailing the analysis and we've also been nailing the trades. Before I want to start my analysis on this price action that have developed recently in comparison to my last update, I want to go over what I expected in my last video. I wanted to hold this zone and look for upside, and we also got two nice longs coming into that POI, but not the rotation we wanted to towards all-time highs, which happens because we couldn't break our structure. I also pointed out it is locally down until proven otherwise. If you could not gain this part right here that brought you towards new lows, you're never going to get that rotation towards all-time high. So we nailed that, and price also went lower. We've talked about this zone on the $1.5 mark, and we did get a reaction from it as of now. We've pumped for over 20%, and I'm here to answer all of your questions. Can we expect more upside? What can we expect on the local time frame? Are we going to get a correction? I'm all going to get into that and sketch the situations in that I am going to be looking at for possible trades on ASTER. In the Discord, I pointed out because we made a low and a high and we left the low open, indicating we could need some liquidity on the highs before rotating down because this is your 4-hour trend. Well, we actually managed to make a new high, but for me, this high wasn't really convincing. I drew in this range and I treated this as a possible deviation that market makers could be stepping in to short the market again. Because we were at the time really bearish, we had equal lows to target, so I had confluences to look for shorts here. That's also what we did. That's also what we took in the Discord. We pre-planned our short trade on ASTER, and we also executed that short right here. So if you are curious about trading opportunities, then make sure to join the Discord because that's where I'm actively trading with a lot more members as well. What I also pointed out with that short is if we can manage to respect this local uptrend, this would be the zone to look at. That's what we held, and we got another really good move towards the upside. We did not manage to long that because it was in the middle of the night, but the scenario did play out really well. So what I'm expecting now is a little bit of struggle around here because this did bring us towards new lows. So I want to wait for local price action to show some weakness and then maybe retrace for this bigger higher low for a new higher high. If we do create some sort of distribution here, I am looking to short it towards new lows because that's our 4-hour expectational order flow. And these equal lows could be a magnet for the market to take out and fill up more of their own orders to then blast off. So we need to wait for price action to develop in this supply. Not that interested in going longs aggressively yet, but I do want to point out this support and resistance zone here. This also aligns really well with our demand that we hold. And if I'm looking at this right now, we have already tested it back and also our previous high here. So what could happen is we could just keep on getting this expansion up and we can keep on trading towards this. We are in supply, but market makers also need to show us that we are in supply. We need to see that supply is going to take over for us to take any shorts. If not, we want to keep trading this momentum and keep going up. So if we manage to keep that local trend, I would be looking at that scenario. And if not, I would be looking at somewhere around this support resistance, around the $1.7 mark to look for price to retrace to and then give us a signal that we want to hold that level and then we can continue trading upwards towards all of this liquidity. So we cannot reach for the skies yet just because of this bottom left behind. If we did have some manipulation at this bottom, I would have been more confident in trading towards the upside. But right now we're priced it. We need to watch out. It's pretty undecisive at the moment. But the scenarios that are here I have sketched in, and this represents for me some sort of manipulation, seeing that big players wanting to short ASTER. If not, up until proven otherwise, and let's see where we can take this. This is also going to be the technical analysis of ASTER. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and also subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested in daily updates on crypto coins, or if you have some crypto coins you want me to analyze, then make sure to join the free Discord, link down below, and I'll see you there. Peace.